We just uncovered a time capsule hidden inside this garage. Today we have a Bonneville that was locked inside this garage. It was last plated in 1982.
That's what I said.
Look at that. Oh, look at that.
We're gonna make it look brand new.
For sure?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
And we know this Bonneville is from the 60s. I want to ask you guys, if you know what year this car is from, leave it in the comments below. I'm curious to see if you guys can guess it. Now, the story behind this car is that my friend Nick's grandparents bought it brand new, and they got it right after they got married as a wedding gift to themselves. And they absolutely enjoyed this car, but for some reason it ended up getting stuck in this barn for the last 40 years. And Nick's senior prom is coming up soon, so he called us so we could get it out of the barn and get it fixed up so he could take it to his prom. Now we're going to move on to the interior of the car and we'll polish it and all that stuff later. But you can see everything is in need of a deep cleaning. The leather is covered in mold. There's some white powder in the carpet. There was a pair of Daisy Dukes in the back seat from whoever left them there. And we also found a couple of unwanted creatures that we had to get rid of. Dude, where did that come from? What the... So Nick did some digging at home and he was actually able to find the keys to this thing, meaning we could open the trunk, and we found the wheel well covers for the back wheels in there and a massive mouse nest, but nothing super crazy. Now while we're cleaning this carpet, since you guys have seen a good amount of this car already, how much do you think it would cost to get this car back on the road? There aren't too many cosmetic issues with it, so I don't really know what you'd have to address there, but just getting it running and getting it driving. Now moving inside the car, we're working on the doors here, and after we sprayed the APC on and started working it in, you can see all of that grime coming off of the door. It was absolutely disgusting, and after pulling out the steamer and using that, it got even worse. And after getting the door clean, we took out our 3M adhesive and wanted to re-adhere the carpet on the bottom of the door just to make it look a lot better. So now we're going to move on to the seats where we'll go ahead and clean them and then use a conditioner afterwards to bring them back to life completely. And I sat on them after this whole video was over and they were so soft. Conditioning leather is always worth doing. So now we're going to get everything back together, and then Jason's going to go ahead and do some sanding on the exterior and talk a little bit about what he's doing and why he's doing it.
As the panel's curved like this, we're going to take the sanding block with little to no pressure and we'll be able to hear the sound lighten up. And I just want a really smooth surface. Let the paper and the sanding block do the work.
Now this has been something I've personally taken a really big liking to, and that's working on the chrome. So Jason showed me that there was some rust on this emblem and that we could remove it and make it look a lot better than it did.
All right, guys, we're here with Nicholas and his family.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
That's amazing. Beautiful.
Look at that.
Yeah, there's actually curve there. There you go.
Look at that. I can't understand.
Oh.
Can I sit down?
Yes, it's your car. Nope, what's your head? There you go.
Okay.
Does it bring back memories?
Hi. This was so nice. It was beautiful.
Really nice. It was an absolute pleasure, and to see your grandmother's face light up and see the car again.
I'm pumped.
Heck yeah, man.
I'm really
Well, we're happy to do it. Thank you for having us, and thank you to all you guys for watching.